ChatGPT disabled for users in Italy. Why can't I access my account? We have disabled ChatGPT for users in Italy at the request of the Italian Garante. We are issuing refunds to all users in Italy who purchased a ChatGPT Plus subscription. In March we are also temporarily pausing subscription renewals in Italy so that users won't be charged while ChatGPT is suspended. We believe we offer ChatGPT in compliance with GDPR, and we will engage with the Garante with the goal of restoring your access as soon as possible. Thank you for your understanding. How long will accounts in Italy be blocked for? ChatGPT accounts will be disabled in Italy while we work to come to a resolution with the Garante. Our goal is to restore your access as soon as possible. I'm a ChatGPT Plus customer. Do I get a refund? Customers who have purchased ChatGPT Plus subscriptions will receive a full refund of their most recent payment. We are pausing subscription renewals until we are able to resume operations in Italy. When will I receive my refund? When will I receive my refund for the refund to post back to your account? Depending on your issuing bank's policies. How do I get my account and data deleted? You can delete your account by emailing us at deletion@openai.com. What are the steps you're taking to make ChatGPT available in Italy again? We will engage with the Garante with the goal of restoring your access as soon as possible. When should I expect to see the refund for my March ChatGPT subscription charge? When should I expect to see the refund for my March ChatGPT subscription charge? Your refund should appear in your records in the next 24 hours but may take up to 5 to 7 business days from today. Why was I charged again? We issued a refund on April 1st in the morning Central European Time for users in Italy. The refund transaction may look like a new charge at first glance, so please double-check the transaction and let us know if you believe you were incorrectly charged.
Subscribe to Sparta King Sparta. Thanks for watching.